What do wheel spacers do on BMW? Its BMW wheel spacers are made of aluminum. It's stored between the hub assembly and the wheel, pushing the wheels out to increase the distance between the hub assembly and the wheels. The correct installation is quite important. Begin by simply lifting the vehicle and removing the wheels. Next, clean the wheel hub and attach the wheel spacer to the hub. The hollow-out design of BONOSS Forged lateral pass wheel spacers is further optimized on the basis of the traditional wheel spacers. It is an effective design that can effectively reduce the weight and energy consumption, improves handling while ensuring safety and reliability. BONOSS wheel spacers are made from aerospace grade 6061 T6 or 7075 T6 aluminum, ensuring lightweight durability and high load capacity. Precision machining and SGS tube test report use wheel hanger that can easily reattach the wheels, and then tighten the extended wheel bolts to the wheels. The wheel bolts of BONOSS Forged BMW wheel spacers are made of forged SCM440 alloy steel, which features high temperature stress resistant structure stability with few harmful elements and few surface defects. The forged extended wheel bolts of BONOSS BMW spacers have achieved the ISO standard grade 12.9. With these BMW wheel spacers, there is nothing that physically stops the sizes of the modification. The BMW wheel spacer can help achieve perfect fitness, no matter which size wheel spacer you choose. Choosing the right thickness is critical to ensure the safety. That's all for today's video. If you want to get these BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.